everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you can stay up to date on my latest projects. I am sharing with you a super cute card today. Again, this is featuring product from the From My Heart suite, which can be found in our Handmade For You mini catalog. This runs through January to June. So products are available to order here. I've got a hostess code for you over on my blog. I'll have the links all added down below here once I get this video up for you. And yeah, you still have time to make wonderful handmade Valentine's gifts. I'm going to be using this Specialty Designer Series paper, and you can find this on page 9. One thing I did want to mention also is there are coordinating products that are being released from Stampin' Up! And these products are going to coordinate with the celebration brochure and also the mini catalog that I just showed you. So I will have this posted on my blog as well. And if you have any questions, let me know. But one of the sets, for example, that I love, the Ladybug stamp set that you get for having a $300 party, is going to have matching dies, and there also is going to be dies available for the cute birthday cake. So I know those are really big ones. So without further ado, I am using the Heartfelt stamp, and I am going to be using the From My Heart to Yours stamp today. Oops, sorry for the crinkling. I have used these like nobody's business. And that makes me super happy. I'm also going to be using Petal Pink today for my ink on this card. So let's just get that open, shall we? And I'm using the 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. That's what this is, and it comes in the pack like this. You can see I've been just tearing it up, and I've just cut out 2 of these hearts, which I'm going to be using today, along with our scallop punch. This is all a part of the From My Heart bundle, and punches make it so easy to make quick and easy projects. So we're just going to punch out 2 of our hearts, and 1 red, 1 petal pink. And I'm just going to turn it sideways. Okay, I thought I had my other piece there, but I guess I don't. Okay, so while we have this out, I am going to stamp From My Heart to Yours on my petal pink heart. Give it a second to transfer, and voila. And that is going to be it for our stamping today. Yep, it's quick and easy. So let's just put this off to the side. I've got 2 pieces of our ribbon. This is the red satin ribbon, which is double stitched. Love it. Use it for almost all of my projects. I'm using a piece of our real red cardstock. This was an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock that I cut in half, and then I scored that in half. So this is what's called a landscape card, and it's just going to open like this, and the ending measurements are going to be 5.5 by 4.25. I've got a piece of Whisper White cardstock. I'm sorry, our Petal Pink cardstock, and I'm going to layer this onto my red. Although I'm also using a piece of our adorable Designer Series paper from the suite. I'm going to apply this first to the Petal Pink piece, and I'm just going to center it. I go in 1/4 inch with each layer. So this next one is 5.25 by 4, and then I go into 5 and 3 3/4. I am going to use one of the pieces of ribbon here, and I'm going to put it about 3/4 of the way down my card here. And I'm going to use the snail adhesive just to hold my ribbon in place. I'm just going to turn it this way a little bit to make sure I can see where I'm putting that. Cute. All right, let's adhere this entire piece here. Don't tell me I'm out. Of course I am, because I'm on tape. Da 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 da, glue dots to the rescue. All right, so I'm going to use my glue dots. Typically, I would have just used my snail adhesive, but I'm not going to edit that out because you know what? That is what happens. So glue dots work just as well. I'm going to adhere my panel to the front of my card, and it's already looking super cute. I'm going to use some of our pop dots, 3 of those, and I'm going to adhere it to the back of my stamped heart. Little tip, if you pinch in on the glue dots, they pop right off super easily. There's a little coating on the back, a little protective layer here, and they'll pop off. For those of us that don't have long nails, and I don't do the whole sculpture thing anymore, it helps get those off. So with this other heart that I have here, I'm going to adhere this to the front of my cute little card here because it's all about hearts and love and all that kind of good stuff for Valentine's Day, which I'm super excited about. I'm going to put this down to the right. I'm going to take my other cute heart and put this one up to the left. And then I am going to come in with my ribbon, the second piece, and just tie a square knot. And, you know, you can adjust it, put it wherever you want. I've got our paper snips. I'm going to trim those on an angle. And it is that simple, you guys. I don't know why my thing just went darker, but in any event, that is my card for you today using the super cute heartfelt stamp set from the Heart bundle, and it's all foily and darling. So I hope this gives you some ideas for how you can use this wonderful stamp set. All right, guys, have a terrific day. As always, my heart and big hugs to you. I'm so glad you stopped by. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you like these short, quick little videos. Let me know. And yeah, I hope that gives you some creative inspiration. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.